Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to Rahnama Guidance and Counseling or Rahnama Academy at the rate Rana 4563. Dear viewers or students, this lecture is meant for those students who are going to appear for cadet college, any cadet college in Pakistan. There are so many cadet colleges in Pakistan in various provinces. I can provide you the list of cadet colleges in Punjab, in Balochistan, in Sindh, and in KPK. But the cadet colleges which are on the panel of ISSB, or which have been recognized by the ISSB, I would advise all the students they are to prepare for those cadet colleges which are on the panel of ISSB or which have been recognized by GHQ. One of them is the PF Cadet College Lower Topa Murray. Cadet College Lower Topa Murray is under Pakistan Air Force, and it's a very bright chance for the students who are going to get admission there in Lower Topa for their bright future. They may become engineering officers or GDP pilots. So, if you are committed and you are really interested in getting admission there in PF Cadet College Lower Topa Murray, so you can contact with guidance and counseling by Rana Ali at the rate Rana 4563, or you may contact 0333 All the students, all the viewers, you know that summer vacation schedule has been announced by the Punjab government, and summer vacations are going to start from the 1st June till 14 August. During this tenure, students may waste their time just wandering in the streets or just doing unnecessary things while roaming in the streets or at such type of other places. You can uh, get the useful aspect of these summer vacations also if you just make your kids and students busy in preparing different sort of competitive exams, so they will be in a better position. Their vacations will bring a fruitful result for them, and they may enhance their mental capabilities, and they will remain busy during this tenure. So, dear students, uh, the conditions for getting the requirements for getting admission in Lower Topa Cadet College Murray, the applicant must be a student of 7th or 8th class, and he has passed the written test and has been declared medically fit in the preliminary medical examination. He has passed the intelligence test interview, has cleared Central Medical Board. So these are the things. If someone has cleared all these things and he has passed all these test interview or the medical examination test, so definitely he will be called for by Lower Topa to continue his studies. The age of the student should not be under 11 year and 6 months and not over 13 year and 6 months. Means uh, the student must be at the age of, not under 11 year and 6 months and not over 13 year and 6 months. So this age is counted on the 1st January of the next year, those students who are going to appear for Cadet College Low Topa Murray, their age will be counted on the 1st January of 2025. So registration date, online registration, exam, all it will be announced in the coming month. So you are to be updated, and you must be aware of the coming online registration dates. So, but before that, you must be ready for the entrance test, because there is entrance test for low topa. That test will comprise on English test, then Urdu test, general science test, and mathematical test. Students have to appear in English test, in Urdu test, in general science paper, and mathematics also. So what should be the syllabus for the preparation of these tests? So definitely the level for all these tests for English, Urdu, general science, and mathematics, it's of level of 7th class, and you must read the books which have been published by the Punjab Textbook Board. Punjab Textbook Board, English, Urdu, mathematics, and general science. You must prepare yourself for science of 7th class, and the book is Punjab Textbook Board, and similar cases happening with the mathematics, Urdu, and English also. Then definitely another thing that is I am just informing you that the test of general science and mathematics, it may be in English as well as in Urdu also. Those students who are studying in Urdu medium, they can demand the paper in Urdu medium also for general science and mathematics, and those who are in English medium, they can demand the paper of general science and mathematics in English medium. But the Urdu paper is same for English medium as well as for the Urdu medium also. Then there is medical examination. So it's a preliminary medical examination, GDP standard of those candidates who qualify in the written test will be conducted as designated PF information and selection centers, and then for final medical tests they will visit to the designated hospitals. So dear students, this is the time you can prepare yourself for low topa Murray, and you can do the practice for the entrance test with the guidance and counseling by Rana Ali, for verbal intelligence test, for non-verbal intelligence test, for English test, mathematics test, general science test, and Urdu test. So just contact with contact at 0333-815-6607, and be updated with these tests, and have excellent preparation for entrance test to enter any cadet college that has been recognized by the ISSB. Thank you to all. Assalamu alaikum.